Most people, the reason they have not started creating videos or uploading videos on YouTube is because they don't know how to edit. 99% of YouTubers, the reason they are not creating videos or not because they don't know how to edit. And I'm here to tell you today, do not edit your videos. One of my friends told me that, easy boy, I don't know how to edit. That's the reason I'm not uploading videos on YouTube or I'm not uploading videos on other social media platform. You see those big content creators you are seeing, those people don't edit their video themselves. They have people who edit for them. So you are just a one man squad. You don't have team yet. So the stress of you recording and the stress of you editing after recording is too much. Those big content creators record their videos. They even got get help while recording their video because they don't hold their camera themselves. People video for them, people camera them. They employ people to help them video them and make sure everything goes as planned. So compare yourself with those big content creators. It's really crazy because those people have about 5 hands, 6 hands, 7 hands that help them in creating one video, and they have other teams that edit their video too, and they still have other teams that post their video. You see why you should not compare yourself with them. You see, don't edit your video. Just record your video. Try and record your video. Once you have done recording it, you can just split some part. You can just split some part of the video. Maybe the part you are made mistake, like yeah, yeah, you cut those part and merge it together. You upload. All right. Second reason you should not edit your video is that you will be left behind. You will be left behind. The most popular video I've seen on YouTube, the most popular video I've seen on YouTube are videos that are not edited. They just normal recording of video, just normal recording and uploading. They are not edited. They are not that edited. So if you start uploading your video today, there's a big chance of you getting to where you want. But if you have not started uploading your video, you will never get to where you want, because not starting is like failing. Yes, it's like failing. But if you start now today, even if your video is crap, there's a big chance of you getting to where you want faster than what you are doing now. There's a big chance of you starting. Starting is like a big step to success. Starting is a big step to success, because once you have started, there's a 99% of you getting what you want. There's 99% of you succeeding. But if you do not start now, there's a 0%. There's a 0% of you succeeding. 0%. You are not succeeding. So please don't edit your video. Once you are a new content creator, don't edit your video. Just record your video and upload. Don't compare yourself with big content creators, because those big content creators have people that edit for them. They have people that help them. Behind the camera, there's a lot of people that help them get that video done. So you as an individual, you record yourself, you edit yourself, you upload yourself, you buy data yourself, you do a lot of things yourself. So comparing yourself, that this will be so stressful for you. To be so stressful, then you can give up at any time. You can give up at any time. You video yourself, you edit yourself, you upload yourself. So to reduce that stress, to not edit, just record and upload. If you are a new content creator, that will give you a big chance of succeeding, because it will reduce your stress. But if you want to compare yourself and be like those big content creators that has already monetized and start paying people to help them get their video done, you will lose your point. You will lose your point and you will lose your mark. And I'm telling you, if you continue like that, you will never grow on YouTube. Okay. My most popular video on YouTube, one of my most popular video on YouTube, I do not edit it. I just record it and upload. And that video got about 35,000 recommendation and about 622 viewers. Not even viewers from my region, viewers from other countries. You can see. So if I didn't upload that video, and I keep making excuses and be skeptical that, oh, maybe I should leave, maybe I should edit the video, maybe this video is not okay. Um, maybe I leave the video and say maybe this video is not okay, and went on to edit it, and that will drain my energy. And within a short period of time, I will be exhausted, and I will find myself in a place where I will just leave that video and do not upload it. I have edited a lot of video and end up not uploading it on YouTube. Yes, I've done that many times, because I was really afraid that the video is not really edited well, it's not really that good. But once I've gotten this knowledge, I stop, I stop making videos, and I stop putting myself in a position whereby I'll be feeling skeptical that this video is not good or this video is not edited well. I stop having that thought and start uploading as much as I can. Yes, start uploading as much as I can, because once you have started uploading, you will become good at it. With no time, you will become good at it. So don't compare yourself with other big content creators. Okay, go ahead and upload that video on your phone right now. Even if it is the most crappiest video on your phone, go ahead and upload it right now. Thanks. Bye. I'll see you guys on my next video.